Good afternoon, Jenny Azulai with LegalTech Publishing. I am on the InslaCon 2024 exhibit floor, and I am speaking with
John Marshall.
Hi, John. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for having me on.
Thank you for speaking with us today.
Yeah,
we appreciate it.
Of course.
So, can you tell me a little bit about the company?
Sure.
Tell me the name of your company and about the company, actually.
Sure. The company is called Airia, with the place breaking in the background. So we provide enterprise solutions for companies that are rolling out artificial intelligence, different models, platforms, whatever they might be doing in their organization.
Okay. And can you tell us how you got started?
Sure. So my background, I built a couple of very large software companies, one of them being AirWatch. AirWatch is a mobility software company. We provided software for device management for 20,000 companies around the world. And what we did is we built an enterprise platform that helped companies deploy mobility across any region, any device, any operating system. And we handled all those different complexities of not only deploying the devices, but all the use cases with the apps, etc. So fast forward, that company was acquired by VMware about 10 years ago. Fast forward, I saw the same need popping up with AI. And what I saw with AI was that when most companies start out, they start out with one use case, maybe perhaps using Copilot, Microsoft, or AI embedded within their application, like Einstein within Salesforce or within an industry type application. But they will evolve over time to having different LLMs and different models and wanting to do their own fine tuning and their own prompts and their own proprietary elements on top of that, maybe building workflow into ServiceNow or some of their other applications, tying in APIs to custom apps. So we saw that need over a year ago that would evolve, and so we built this platform to basically support all of that. In addition, we put all the security and the governance and all the sort of detailed stuff around like multi-tenancy, etc., that you need as an enterprise to be able to support your customers. So we've taken a lot of the lessons learned from past companies and we've applied that into a very flexible enterprise model, which allows companies to easily, in a low-code, no-code way, deploy AI, build their own workflow, their own apps, their own type of detailed end-user interfaces, and be successful, quick, no costs, huge ROI.
Terrific. And ultimately, you're trying to solve a problem, right? So what is the problem you're trying to solve?
Well, the problem is really about the end user and what business problem they're trying to solve and how they can use AI in a safe way within their enterprise or their organization. So AI can make them more efficient if you get past the roadblocks of security, the roadblocks of vetting a model to make sure it doesn't impact your brand, it doesn't do hallucination, the data quality is high, the confidence level is high. So all of those things are friction that causes adoption to slow down. And if we can help by removing some of that friction, helping people test models, helping them put the change management and the workflow around that, then companies are able to move faster, and the IT professionals within legal, for instance, are able to serve their end customers, meaning the partners or the associates within their firm, and then in turn their end customers much faster.
Understood.
Good.
And is this your first ILTA?
I have done ILTAs many, many times with previous companies, but with Airia, this is our first ILTA. We're super excited to be here. We sponsored the AI Learning Lounge, as you may have seen. So it's been a great event for us. We've spoken with so many people. And I think what really surprised us is I wasn't expecting as many firms to be as far along in the journey. So of course there's a large number that are just getting started, kicking tires, testing a Copilot or something. There's a large number that they're using AI now within their point applications. But I was surprised at how many innovation teams there are for AI within the larger or even some of the mid-sized firms, and how far along they are into maybe someone building their own models or building their own workflow or solution. So very interesting and very pleasantly surprised.
That's terrific. So look, ILTACon is an amazing show. This is the place to be, right, for your people and your space and your audience.
We've had a great event.
And we wish you all the success in the world, and we really appreciate you speaking with us, and we will look forward to hearing your next innovation at ILTACon 2025.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
Thanks for your time.